Right, more news coming in. India bloc has sweep the by-polls. TMC is clean sweep in West Bengal. AAP wins Jalandhar West in Punjab. Congress wins both seats in Uttarakhand. Upper hand clearly for the Congress in Himachal. DMK won Tamil Nadu's Vikravandi seat. BJP loses Badrinath by-poll seat. Independent candidate wins from Bihar's Rupauli. Surya Agni is getting us more details on that from Kolkata. At this point in time, the TMC has won the by-polls in the state of Bengal, saying that this is a repeat essentially of the Lok Sabha elections where the winning spree of the opposition here continues, isn't it?
Well, absolutely, and you can see the celebrations and the happiness amongst the Trinamool Congress, women Trinamool Congress workers behind us who are completely in their green colors and with the flags in their hands. Now, coming back to you, Sneha, the Trinamool Congress has won all the 4 seats that went into the polls. What is very interesting is, and which we have been mentioning since morning, is that in 2021, 3 of these seats were in the BJP's kitty. That's even when the government formation happened, the Trinamool swept the polls, but these 3 seats of Ranaghat Dakshin, Raiganj and of Bagda, these were won by BJP candidates. Now, post 2021's result, where Mamata Banerjee formed the government for the 3rd time, the 3 elected, the BJP elected MLAs, they joined the Trinamool Congress. Following which, in 2024, 2 of them were given a ticket for the Lok Sabha elections. However, they did not make it, and they were repeated once again for the by-polls, and they have won it this time. So, these 3 seats that we spoke about, the Trinamool has won it since 2021 for the first time. What is very interesting is, Neha, that even during the Lok Sabha elections, the BJP had a good amount of lead in these in these 3 assembly segments. And when it comes to Maniktala, where we are right now, this was traditionally Congress and very much a Trinamool Congress seat from 2011. Shadun Pandey, who was a veteran leader of the Congress and the Trinamool Congress, he'd been winning it. He was in Mamata Banerjee's cabinet. However, he passed away. And when the elections were called for this particular seat, his wife, who was not exactly in active politics, she was given a ticket. And in her first electoral, venture, she walks through it and she wins from this particular seat, which was basically the erstwhile seat of her husband. Now, in the assembly, Sneha, it is very interesting that the number that Trinamool had was 215 till yesterday. From today onwards, it goes up by 4. It's 219. So that's a big number, as the total number of seats in West Bengal is of 290 plus. So Trinamool has almost around 219 seats in the assembly right now.
All right.
Back to you.
Surya Agni, be with us. The TMC, of course, is jubilant given the results of the by-polls. Aditya Vaibhav with us from Patna as well, where an independent has won the by-poll seat there. Not the BJP, not the Congress, but an independent. Aditya, tell us a little more about that.
Well, exactly, Sneha, as far as the entire by-poll election is concerned of Rupauli, perhaps the voters of Purnia are more interested in electing independent candidates. If at all we consider what happened in Lok Sabha elections, Pappu Yadav and another independent candidate actually got electoral success as far as the Purnia Lok Sabha seat was concerned. And interestingly, Rupauli, you can say, assembly segment, which falls under the same Purnia district and also the same Purnia Lok Sabha segment, is now having another independent candidate as its MLA. Interesting to note here is the fact that, Sneha, the entire, you can say, political battle was clearly between independent candidates Shankar Singh and JDU's candidate Kaladhar Mandal, who almost secured similar votes, with the victorious candidate Shankar Singh securing as many as 8,004 votes more than the JDU candidate. And interesting to note here is the fact that RJD candidate Bima Bharti continued to remain on her spree of becoming the 3rd candidate. Interestingly, she stood 3rd when she was contesting the Lok Sabha elections from the Purnia seats of late.
All right. I'm going to thank you for the moment for getting us those details. Aditya Vaibhav from Patna, Surya Agni Roy from Kolkata.